but it always has one serial number. So, but that said, like if it's torn up, but it's like, here's the whole, oh God. Dog. Okay, that was fun.
Only thing I don't find myself inside of is baby mama drama and drive vagina divided cargo. Someone say something, I might even go pop just to say fuck them. Used to think that I was a loser and I ain't lose nothing. Now that I won, I think I'm looking like I had a bad and lucrative and little.
Hey, me too. Cool.
Newest kid up in the county, view the river with the balcony. You to think I live in Maui?
Yeah, all good, all good. Yeah, no, I had that with you know, the Forerunner recently. It was that nail the time.
That's cool, man.
Oh my God! What an holy shit!
Okay, what the hell is this for a spot to turn around? Okay.
Caused by me threatening litigation. Emotional distress caused by me threatening litigation? Oh my God. Hey, you asked for money and that's really hard for me. Her grand total? $2,412.09, which is conveniently within $25 of what I invoiced her.
In and flip it back on. It's pretty fucking simple. Okay. No, they're not. Another one. Another one.
The Pixie 103 studios are proudly sponsored by Seaside Cannabis Company. Stop blind beating your cannabis and smell the For You Buy at the best and original deli-style dispensary on the Cape. Seaside Cannabis Company, 14 Lots Hollow Road, Orleans. More of Cape Cod rock starts now on Pixie 103.
Gonna eat that shit, bro. Stupid ass people in Everett, Chelsea.
God damn it, dude.
She's also sick because she has work and she's taking care of Theo all the time because Whitney has to work.
Yeah.
So, yes, Theo and his child.
That was cute. Jesus.
What happened?
That car cut the hell off of the car coming out.
Huh.
Come on, pal. Come on, pal.
I know it's all about
onto Main Street.
Amy, I love him. I absolutely love him. And there were a couple of moments in that first 20 minutes, the way he played, where he took the ball on the half turn, he did a little dummy to go back.
At the next light, turn right.
Fucking dumbass.
Went forward and he took out 3.
You're not supposed to turn.
Are you kidding me, dude? Somewhere over here, the fucking buried original building. What are we doing?
Florida's lost.
Buddy, drive.
I don't know what's happening. Are you gonna try to back up?
What's happening?
I have no idea what she's looking down at her phone. I'm just gonna assume she's lost.
And she's somebody's getting out. What are we doing, bud? Are we insisting on going the wrong way down the street? I think so. Oh yeah. Damn. Okay.
The exact price in that invoice.
For real.
So smart. Update number 2. I didn't think this could get worse, but here we are.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Gemma cannot win.
If Gemma wins, I'm walking out of this.
I will be mad. No, Gemma. Look, it's only fun if they don't win.
Oh, skate park. I want to go look at it. Said it. Okay, that's fine. Some collect.
What the fuck, dude? It's a green light. Oh, oh my god. Oh. I accidentally switched the radio.
Nice, buddy.
Video protected.
My veins are blue and connected. Every single bone in my brain is electric. But I dig dishes like the best of them. That's why my uncle. Come on, my little
Come on.
Come on, my little.
doing, man?
What the fuck is this? Oh my god. It's much more like boom bap than I typically listen to, but like, I like it.
Yeah, you can have like, it's some, this guy's flying. Is he gonna stop? No.
Nope.
Dude,
Okay.
like, could have waited.
What? What are you doing?
Stay outside tonight. I'll stay outside tonight. Like a sack, like a sick animation.
Relationship with my sisters, and we're very different. They don't like boy things like video games, which aren't boy things, but my parents taught us they were. I didn't like playing dolls or house or messing with makeup. My parents were very strict on all.
Jesus Christ! Holy shit!
Whoa, whoa.
What the hell?